What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Don with the Don Franz Show, and it is Tesla Tuesday. Tesla Tax Tuesday. Well, we're going to talk a little bit about the wash sale. We're going to talk a little bit about Tesla. We're going to jump right into it. This one will be short and sweet, but to kick things off for what I'm about to talk about, when I'm not a financial advisor or your planner, nor am I a CPA or a tax guy at all, so this is definitely not going to be tax advice, but maybe enough that you can talk to your tax guy and say, hey, what about this? First and foremost, Tesla. There's some rumor mills going on that they might be partnering up with Toyota, restarting the SUV partnership. So they want to get together. So basically, Toyota builds the shell, and Tesla just puts the guts inside. Like, hey, give us the autonomy because we suck. We used to be cool. We made the Prius. Everyone thought we were awesome. But then we say stupid things like hydrogen's the future. And now we're realizing, I think we're kind of dumb. So we partner with Tesla. We make that leap. And if we look at Tesla, it actually had a green day today. We wore down. We broke the 600 mark there for a little bit. Thought we were headed down. We jumped up. We tagged this zone. I actually went short intraday right inside here. That got out. Ended the day pretty strong. So we definitely want to keep this. Now I went short with puts intraday. I grabbed 630 puts. But that being said, I'm still in Tesla spreads. I'm in spreads just because of this choppiness. I'm not looking to be in and out of this thing 9,000 times. So I want to see it, first and foremost, get above this zone right here. We need to see it above that 650 mark. You know, the market in general, like tech needs to go. It held that zone. We need to get above. You know, the S&P, we're still inside the zone. So at least we're seeing some green candles. We want to see it make that move above. So that is my main focus for Tesla right now, as far as this week, is where do we go on this zone? Bullish above, kind of bearish below. If we test this from the bottom and reject again, you know, I don't know if there's some buyers here at 580. Like, that's where it instantly rejected. Around this 580 mark, if we go to a higher time frame, if that fails, like, we're hopping right on down to that zone. I'd say, wouldn't surprise me if we pulled another move like that. And this trend line is not where it's supposed to be. I don't know why that TradingView decided to move that trend line, but anyway, that's where it's at. So we got a nice little bounce off of that, and that was really it. So we need to keep an eye on that. So again, talk about taxes. Oh, the fun part. Now, if you're a profitable trader, you already know this. You're going to pay taxes. But for those of you guys that are losing a whole bunch, the wash sale is kind of important. I actually hate this question the most. Don, what's a wash sale? It's designed to keep people out of a loophole. So a stock goes down, they lock in that loss, and then they buy right back in. But they're still holding it, so nothing to write about. But they can claim that loss. Again, not a CPA, so talk to your CPA about it. Robinhood Trader, $800,000 tax bill. Now, to give you the long and short, this guy opened up a new trading account for $30,000. In the end, he made $45,000 in profit. I laugh because, wow, this guy with a $30,000 account managed to pull $45 million in volume throughout the year, taking an average of 10 to 50 trades a day. Now, to do that and only make $45,000, this guy is winning, losing, winning, losing, winning, occasionally making a couple more bucks, losing. Like, just in dumb tickers, day trading, he probably signed up for a course. Hopefully, someone said something about the VWAP. He misunderstood and bought all the VWAP lines. Like, I don't know what time frame you got to be on to take that many trades a day. And why would you even be a trader? 10 to 50 trades a day? What? I would rather be a clerk at Walmart. $45,000. Even then, you got to pay taxes on your $45,000. There wasn't such thing as a wash sale. Anyway, like I said, the wash sale. So you take that loss, you get right back in, but it washes it out, so you can't write off that loss. In this case, he's buying something, right? Locks it in. Profit. Got to pay taxes on that profit. All's fair. Sells off. Locks it in. Hey, there's a loss. You can maybe write that against that, see what the net difference is. Gets back in. Now classified as a wash sale. So he's paying taxes on all the wins, not really the losers, which is absolutely stupid. I would tell the IRS to probably eat one. Like, there's no other way. Like, in this case, you got to be out of your mind. I'd move to Puerto Rico, and I'd just laugh. Bye. Like, I don't know. I'm out of the country at that point. I'm not paying $800,000 off some stupid rule you guys thought would be brilliant. Get out of here. Just my opinion. Again, not a CPA. You know, that being said, I agree that would, there's no, like, why would you not, there has to be a rule, a change in the wash sale rule. That's ridiculous. I would rather get something together and change that law than pay anything. So that being said, probably something to keep in the back of your mind for those of you that are in and out every 15 seconds on a trade. That's insane. $800,000 tax bill. $2 million in trading volume per day. $200,000 and $2 million with a $30,000 account. Crazy. Anyway, let me know what you think down below. Wash sale. It's designed to not. It's a loophole. You're not supposed to be able. Am I wording that right? They don't. You can create your own loophole and not and write off more losses than you actually took on. Be careful of that. I'm curious how many more, now that this is popping up, I'm curious how many more new traders jumped on the Wall Street Bets bandwagon, hopped into chat, and followed just all these trades in an echo chamber because they didn't really know what they were doing or talking about. And I'm actually very curious if this is fear-mongering for the retail traders, still very true, but if anything becomes out of this. So anyway, I'll end it here. I'm curious to hear you guys' thoughts in the comments down below. So just let me know, what's the crazy, I pay taxes every quarter, but what are your thoughts? Have you guys had any crazy stories like this? And how many trades a day are you taking? Anyway, let me know, and I'll see you guys live tomorrow. We're going to do a midweek market breakdown closer to the end of the week, I guess. It's a short week, but I look forward to seeing you there.